Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most frequently used SQL feature, that is order by. And as always, we will keep this practical, clean, theoretical plus practical, and we will make sure this is beginner friendly. As I've told you, we will cover theory, we will write SQL together side by side, and we will see the output, behavior plus some use cases. So let's get started. First, the theory part. What is order by? Order by is a clause in SQL that helps you sort your results. Sorting means arranging your data either in ascending or in descending order. Ascending means A to Z or 0 to 9. For digits is 0 to 9. For alphabet it's A to Z. And descending means Z to A for alphabet and 9 to 0 for the integers. By default, let me tell you, by default, each and every SQL environment, SQL sorts in ascending order. Right? If you write order by the column name and don't write anything after that, it will by default sort in ascending order. And that's the basic idea. So let's jump into the actual queries. And before using order by, we have a table in front of us where we have total four columns and six rows with name, salary, city, and all. Simple as that. And we will do a basic order by. We will do order by salary. How to do it? Let me show you. Okay. Simple. You will write select whatever column you want to write. I am writing asterisk. I want each and every column from the table name. Okay. Order by, then the column name, and let me write, okay, let's don't write anything, leave it as it is. And as I've told you, by default each and every SQL environment will give you the data output in ascending order, and when you execute it, see, 3000, 3000, 5000, 5000, 7000, 70 and 70, 50, 50, 30, 30. Sorry, I told 3000. And that's the thing. So it is order by salary. And if you see the name, it is in any random order, employee ID, any random order, city also in any random order. Only the salary is in ascending order. Why? Because we have done order by salary. If you write the same thing with a quotation mark, I mean, not with the quotation mark, with a specificity of descending. If you don't write anything, it will automatically by default give you the ascending value. But if you want descending, you have to write DESC. And when you execute it, see, 70, 70, 50, 50, 30, 30. If you want for ascending also, you can write ASC. Simple, ascending for ASC, and it will show you ascending order. But as we know, default it is an ascending order, so no need to worry about that. Simply we can leave the space. For descending, we just have to write DESC, and it's done and dusted. Okay. So this is what we have seen for the salary part, ascending and descending. Now let's go to the text part, or I would say the string part. We will see for name, and we want in ascending order for the names. So let's see what we have in this. Same thing you have to write here. Just in order by, you have to write the column name, like name. And if you want, by default it's ascending. If not, if you want to be more specific, then you can write ASC. No worries in that, no harm in that. Now you see it's Amit, Ankit, Pooja, Rahul, Sneha, Vikas. So in alphabetical order, simple as that, no issues. But salary, city, employee ID, they are in any order, because we are not taking care of the orders of that column. We are just taking care of order for the name column, and that's what we have written in the order by section. Simple as that. Right now you might be having a question like, so can we only do sorting in only one column? No, it's not like that. We can use multiple columns. I mean, in real project, you often sort by more than one column. For example, sort by salary in descending order, and if two people have same salary, sort by their name. So how to do it? Like this only example. Let's take that. We will do one thing. We will just short the salary. Oops, sorry for the spelling mistake. What we'll do, we will just short the salary in descending order, right? And see it. No worries, just see it. And if the salary is same, we will short the name in ascending order. Okay. So simple as that. When you are adding one more column in this order by, simple give a comma, write the column name, and done and dusted. That's it. And when you execute it, see 70 same salary, but name start with A, end with S because it's ascending. So A to Z. Second part or second series is 50,000, like 50 50. So P comes first, Rahul comes second as per alphabetical order from A to Z. Same goes for the 30,000 mark. 30,000, same batch, same mark. Now see, A is first, like first letter in alphabet. B comes to the end part of the alphabetical order. So this is how we can sort the columns using order by, and I mean multiple columns using order by, not a single column. Right now, let's add some different functions like order by always applies after filtering. Let me tell you that after filtering means this is the last part of execution. If there is no limit, if there is a limit, then there is a second last part of execution, order of execution. So let's use where in this, and let's see. Suppose I want the data in the output, in this output where city equal to Delhi, and I want to order by, suppose what should we order by? Salary. Order by salary in descending. So how it does, it goes first like this. First order of execution. Then it goes like this. Second order of execution. Then come like this. Third order of execution. Then come like this. Fourth order of execution. Simple as that. Simple as that. And when we execute it, see salary in descending, ठीक है, city equal to Delhi. Simple as that. Simple thing. Just you have to write it, and SQL will give you all the output. No worries for that. Same thing we can do for dates as well. So for dates, you have to write like hire date or order date or ship date and use like descending and ascending. Simple as that. Normal. And let me tell you one thing. That's all about it. You can use dates, you can use string, text, integers, anything you want. You can do a order by. For descending, you have to write DESC. For ascending, no need to write anything. By default, it is ascending. But still, if you want to specify the ascending order, you can write ASC. So that's the entire concept of order by in a clean plus in a practical way. And let's do a recap like what we have covered today. We have covered like ascending, descending, sorting text, numbers, and also dates we have not done, but the thing is dates is also the same thing, so we have to add one more column in that. And also we have done multiple columns, sorting with multiple columns. We have added one more function like where, so order by with where. And that's all about it, and that's like how exactly order by is used in real project, dashboard, reporting queries, everywhere there is order by. So that's all about today's video, and thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, then like, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, plus click on the bell icon so that you get notification for the live stream. Whenever I do live stream, you can jump into the live stream and ask doubts related to the project, related to the assignment, related to the video that I have taught you today, and you can share the video with your friends who are learning SQL or who wants to refresh the SQL concepts on a daily basis. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding, happy learning, and happy querying. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video.